Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove zipped app icons on your Samsung phone. First, locate the app drawer by swiping up from your home screen. You will sometimes see an icon that looks like a folder with a small zipper on it. These icons signify a compressed app file, often from an incomplete download or a paused installation. Identifying these first is crucial for a clean and efficient device. They do not represent a fully functional application, just its bundled package. Let us begin by finding one of these icons. To address these zipped icons, open the My Files application on your Samsung device. You can typically find this app within a folder named Samsung in your main app drawer. Once inside My Files, select Internal Storage and then tap on the Downloads folder. This is the most common location where partially downloaded or compressed app packages reside. Look for files ending with zip or app that correspond to the zipped icon you want to remove. Careful navigation here is key to finding the correct item. After finding the zipped app file in your Downloads folder, press and hold your finger on it for approximately 2 or 3 seconds. This action will highlight the file and present you with several options. Look for the delete icon, often shaped like a trash can, and tap on it. You will then receive a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure you want to delete the file. Confirm your choice, and the file will be moved to your recycle bin. This effectively removes the source of the zipped app icon. For a complete removal, return to the My Files main screen and locate the recycle bin or trash option, typically found in the 3-line menu. Open the recycle bin and select Empty or Delete all to permanently erase the zipped file from your device's memory. After clearing the recycle bin, a quick restart of your Samsung phone is highly recommended. This action refreshes your system, clears any cached icons, and ensures the zipped app icon disappears from your app drawer and home screen entirely. Your device will now be cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.